Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just a...
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, my name is Richie. Thank you, sir. We're here at Walmart right now. This is not working. Everybody just looking at me all stupid right now. I need an adapter to plug my microphone, but I guess they don't have it here, so we'll buy head to Target right now. If Target don't have it, we'll probably have to head to Best Buy and get that shit over with. But for now, welcome to the vlog. My name is Richie, and yeah, peace.
And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, Seaside.
There's a thing that you have to bring people into the fold in a way to get the best out of them.
Alright guys, we made it to Target. I want to take out the skincare stuff out of the way so we don't have to come back for it later. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the CeraVe foaming cleanser for the face wash. For you guys that have really dry skin, you need to go with the green bottle. And if you have really bad acne, you can go with the light blue bottle. Oh, look at that, finally. Some bleach water, very hot breath. Where my card at? Damn, it's so hard to hold all these things together like this, but we pretty much got everything that we want in there. I gotta head to Best Buy to grab that camera adapter, no, the microphone adapter for the camera, because later on we're going to church. We gotta have that, and so I'll catch you over there. For you guys wondering why I'm at the mall right now, I don't know if the music's too loud, but a few weeks ago, not even a few weeks ago, a few days ago, or you might have seen it in a couple of videos, right before I went to Puerto Rico, this piece had fall off. The Scorpio had kind of like fall off from the chain. I'm trying to see if they can put that back together. If not, I'll probably have to get a new one. And also, my ex-assistant had given me this, I think it's like a Gucci chain. It's one of these small little gold chains. I used to have like a small little Cuban link one. I gave it to her, she gave me this one, but it's kind of messed up too. I don't like this bracelet. I'm trying to get it changed, but I'm here right now, nobody's at the shop. So I gotta go to a different shop and get this thing over with, because the day is running and I gotta go to Best Buy to get that thing over with. So let's head down there to a new shop and see if they can fix it today or leave it for tomorrow. And I'll pick it up.
What needs to be fixed here?
It kind of broke off from this. Let me put my camera right here. I'm a vlogger, that's all.
I see. What can I mean? The
How's it
belt
going,
broke
boss?
off, I think the belt.
New belt लगाना पड़ेगा.
New belt.
So I was gonna fix both sides. I was gonna fix this part too, but this kind of fall off from it.
Oh, I see.
So-
These are the claws.
Yeah,
Alright.
it kind of stick like this and then just.
So like दो solder होते ना?
They can bring over there. Did
ठीक है, मेरे बाप के साथ. Did you bring it over there? You
So I just went back to the dude that I brought it from. He said I can just go over there and get it fixed from his own store. I guess this is his store too. So we're gonna see and get a quote to see how much this thing will cost exactly. But because I'm not trying to spend too much on it, or I'm gonna have to get a whole new one. I'm not sure. Oh yes, thank you. Oh, you get your And you on it? That's exactly what I wanted. Now I just gotta get 2 new pendants and should be good. All right.
702. So you mean smaller like thinner or smaller like width? Smaller like width and also smaller like.
What y'all think?
Do you like how long it is, or I can get you a short?
Oh god.
Okay, short.
All right.
40 plus 216. 256.
256.
We keep the tickets so we know what the number of the tickets.
Nice camera, eh?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
Oh, YouTuber.
They're paying for that. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my friend. Take care. You have a good day.
Thank you.
Not right there. You got a cramp?
And just like that, my friend, my neck was shining again. Oh my God, I feel rich, but like they say, rich people don't wear their money on them. Not me though. I would say fuck them and wear my money however I want. But we're about to go see if we can get some perfume and get a hell up out of here, because I already spent like 400 bucks just by stepping in the mall, bro. That's why I hate going outside. What would you say? I don't know if I can read it, but it said, what would Richard do? A few days ago, somebody had asked me something and asked me, what would Richard do in that situation? I was like, bro, that's a good thought. Now I'm gonna just keep it. Just keep asking yourself, whatever decision you're making, just ask yourself, what would Richard do? Bro, let me run so I can go to Best Buy real quick, grab that last adapter and head home, because the time is kind of running right now. It's already 3:51. I'm supposed to be home by like 4. Yeah, I'm looking for this right here, this adapter or the Type-C that will go inside of this. But somehow, goddamn dude, but somehow I kind of broke it off when I dropped the camera a few months back, and now I actually need this. I'm trying to use the microphone itself. I cannot, because I don't have that part of the thing, and I tried buying this part at Walmart and try connecting it to a regular adapter and put it back on that. Still didn't work. I'm gonna try this one, and it's about like 10-15 bucks, so shouldn't hurt that bad even if it don't work. But since I'm already here, plus I have the microphone, I'm gonna try it on and see if it works, and so I don't have to return it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is one of my dream things to have too. So if you're trying to get it for me for Christmas, that should be great. You got it? Yeah. Perfect.
I forgot to check if it was TRS or TRRS on your cable.
Oh shoot! I'm making.
No, you're good, my friend. Is your stuff okay?
Yeah. All
Okay.
good.
That's what I care about.
All good.
Making sure your stuff is good.
Alright, we're back at the car. I wasn't able to find the things that I went in to look for, so it was kind of a waste of time. We're about to rush back to the curb right now so we can get ready, so we can go to church. If that's the last time you guys see me, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. And yeah, go out, touch the grass, go talk to people, have fun, spend some money. You work hard and you earn it, so peace out.
Je n'ai pas l'argent pour avoir tous ces gens à mes pieds scandant, vénérant et chantant mon nom et mon talent.